During this busy time of year, I love to keep homemade muffins on hand. Let me show you how to bake up these crunchy apple muffins, a favorite in our house. We'll start by whisking together the dry ingredients: golden wheat flour, sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, and salt. If you don't have golden wheat flour, you can substitute all-purpose, but golden wheat is great because it's a whole grain flour that tastes just like traditional flour. In a separate bowl, we'll add an egg, milk, and melted butter and whisk together. Now we'll take the wet ingredients and add them to the dry and stir just until combined. When making muffins, it's important not to overmix the batter. Okay, that's perfect. Now we'll gently fold in the chopped apples. Scoop the mixture into prepared baking cups so they're about 2/3 full. Before they go into the oven, we're going to top them with this crunchy topping. It's a mixture of granola, walnuts, brown sugar, cinnamon, and milk. All right, these are all set to pop in the oven, so they'll bake for about 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Yum, these smell amazing. To find this recipe, visit bigY.com. Until next time, be well.